able to get out of there, which is the most I've ever gotten out of a piece of furniture, even when I clean my couch. So I think it's gonna be successful. I'm gonna let this completely dry, check a before and after, and like see if it did any damage or anything before I do it to the other chairs. Actually, I am gonna try to get this paint out of this one. I think it's washable paint. I hope it's washable paint. Oh my God. This was from rock painting with my son. Oh my God, this might make it worse. I hope not. I don't want to be too hard on it either. These chairs are old and they're already like wearing so much. Darn it. I don't know about this. No. Ah, shoot. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna let it dry, see if it's any better. But this chair is really worn and I don't wanna make it any worse.